this is Ritanya and this is Gyutan, and welcome to our channel Velocity Mind. Today we'll be learning exercise 1.3 problems 1 and 2 from the chapter Set Languages. Let's do it!
Hi everyone, today we are going to see 9th State Board Syllabus Set Language Exercise 1.3 questions 1 and 2. Here we need to know about Venn diagrams before going into the exercise. So the first Venn diagram is A. Okay, for A we have to shade only A. Okay, A is inside the universal set and we have to shade only A. What is A dash? We have to shade the entire A universal set except A. Okay, that is A dash other than A. Okay, now A union B. What is A union B? All the elements in A and B, isn't it? So we have to shade the entire A and B. Okay, now what is A union B whole dash? We have to shade the entire universal set except A union B. That is the meaning of A union B whole dash. That is entire set other than A union B. Now what is A intersection B? What is the meaning of intersection? Yes, the common elements. So I have shaded only the common elements between A and B. Okay. Now what is A intersection B the whole dash? That is the entire universal set, entire set except the A intersection B part. Okay. Now what is A difference B? Here we have to take the set, the first set, that is A, and remove the common elements between the other two sets and leave the second set completely. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3, B is 3, 4 and 5, what is the common element? 3. And leave the entire second set and write only 1 and 2. That is A difference B. The same case B difference A. For example, if B is 1, 2, 3 and A is 3, 4, 5, we have to cancel the common element, leave the second set completely and write 1 and 2. That is the B except the common elements. Okay. Now what is A difference B the whole dash? The same thing. What is dash? Meaning of dash? The entire set except the A difference B. What is B difference A whole dash? The entire set except B difference A. So I have shaded the entire set except the B difference A part. Okay. Can you understand this clearly? We can see the examples in the exercise and we can understand it more clearly. Okay. Let's go into the exercise. Now this is the first question. Here a set is given. A and B is inside the universal set. Now we have to find the following sets. Okay. Now what is A? We have to write the entire elements inside the set A. We have to include the intersection part 2. So what is A? 2, 10, 8. That is inside A. 2, 10 and 8. 4 and 7 is also inside A. So we have to write that 2. Okay. 2, 10, 8, 4 and 7. So 5 elements inside the set A. Now what is set B? 9, 6, 11, 3 are inside B. 4 and 7 is also inside B. Though it is in the intersection part, it is also in B. So we have to include that in B. Okay. So 9, 11, 6, 3, 4 and 7 belongs to set B. Okay. Don't forget the intersection part, the elements in the intersection part should be written in both the sets. Okay. Now what is A union B? What is the meaning of union? All the elements, the entire elements. Okay. The only thing is the elements in the intersection part should be written only once. Okay. So what is in the A? 2, 10 and 8. What is in B? 9, 6, 11, 3. And what is in the intersection part? 4, 7. So all should be written in A union B. So 2, 10, 8, 6, 4, 7, 9, 6, 3, 11. Okay. Now, sorry, I have written 6 instead of 8. Sorry. Now, what is A intersection B? Here, we have to write the common elements. Okay. The common elements, that is 4 and 7. Because the meaning of intersection is, we have to write only the common elements, that is in the intersection part of the Venn diagram. Now, what is A difference B? I have already said, in A difference B, we have to cancel the intersection part and leave the second set completely and write the remaining terms in the first set. Now, here we take A and B. The intersection part is 4 and 7. We have to leave that. We have to cancel that and leave the second set, that is B, completely and write only the A part. So 2, 10 and 8. Can you understand? Now what is B difference A? In B difference A, B is the first set. Okay, now what are the intersection part between B and A? 4 and 7. We have to leave that and leave the second set completely. That is A completely. And write the remaining terms, that is 9, 11, 6 and 3. Okay? Can you understand? Now, what is A dash? We have to write the entire set. B part, universal set part except A. Okay? So, what is A dash? Here, we have to neglect the intersection part too. So, complete A should be removed off. So, what are the elements in A dash? 9, 6, 11 and 3 in B and 12 and 1 in the universal set. So, this is A dash. Okay, can you understand? So, completely we are neglecting the A part. So, we have to write the remaining B part, that is 9, 6, 11 and 3 and 1 and 12 in the universal part. Now, what is B dash? We have to remove the entire B part and write the remaining terms. Okay. So, the entire B we are removing it. Now, what is the remaining A? 2, 10 and 8. And what is the universal part? 1 and 12. So, these 5 elements is B dash. Are you clear? Now, what is universal set? It's nothing but, it's very easy, the entire Venn diagram part. The universal part, the A part, the B part, all are included. All the elements are included in universal. So, the word universal terms everything. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, we include all the elements. Okay. The 3 elements in A, 4 elements in B, 2 elements in the intersection part and 2 elements in the universal part. So, all these 11 elements form the universal set. Clear? So, here I am showing it clearly, right? A part, this is the A part. Now B part. The middle 4 and 7 are in the intersection part. And the remaining universal set 1 and 12 together constitute the universal set. Okay, is this clear? Are you following me? Okay. Now, let's go to the second question. We have to find A union B, A intersection B, A difference B and B difference A for the 2 sets. Here, A is equal to 2, 6, 10 and 14. B is equal to 2, 5, 14 and 16. First, what should we find? A union B, right? So, what is the meaning of union? All the elements together. One condition, the repeating elements should be written once. That's it. So, first write 2, 6, 10, 14. 2 is already present, so I am writing 5. 14 is already present, so I am writing the next number 16. So, this is the A union B, okay? There are 6 elements in A union B. Here, what is union? We have to write all the elements in both the sets, and only one condition is the common element should be written only once. Okay. Now let's go to the A intersection B part. Okay. What is A intersection B? A intersection B is nothing but we have to find only the common elements in both the sets. Okay. Because the word intersection means only common elements. Okay. Now what is the common elements between these two sets? It is 2 and 14. Right. So A intersection B is 2 and 14. Okay. Now there are two elements in A intersection B. Now we are going to find what is A difference B. A difference B. First write the A. 2, 6, 10, 14. Difference. What is the B? 2, 5, 14 and 16. Okay. Now what we should do in A difference B? We have to cancel the common elements and completely leave the second set and write the remaining terms in the first set. That's it. You remember this as a formula. Cross out the common elements, leave the second set, and third one is write the remaining first set. I am crossing out the common elements 2 and 14. I am leaving the second set completely and writing the remaining terms 6 and 10. So A difference B is 6, 10. Are you clear? Okay. So I am crossing out the common elements, leaving the second set completely and writing the remaining elements in the first set. Okay. Now what is B difference A? Now say it along with me. What is B? 2, 5, 14, 16. What is A? 2, 6, 10, 14. Very good. What is the formula I have said? Cancel the common elements, leave the second set completely and write the remaining elements in the first set. So I am crossing out the common elements 2 and 14, leaving the second set completely and write the remaining elements in the first set, that is 5 and 16. Now let's go to the second question. Here A is equal to A, B, C, E and U. B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Here we have to find A union B. What is A union B? All the elements in A and B, and the one condition is we have to write the common elements only once. So what is A union B? A, B, C, E, U. A is already there, so I am going to U, E. E is also there, so I am writing I, O and U is there, so A union B is over. So there are totally 7 elements in A union B, that is all the elements in both sets and common elements should be written only once. Okay. What is A intersection B? What is intersection? Only the common elements. Okay. Here, what is the common elements between A and B? Here, A is common, E is common and U is common. So, what is A intersection B? A, E and U. Okay. So, A intersection B means it's only common elements. Now, what is A difference B? Now, write the set A, that is A, B, C, E and U. Okay. Difference. What is B? Tell me along with me. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now what should we do? We should cancel the common elements, leave the second set completely and write the remaining terms in the first set. So cross the common elements. A, E and U are common. Leave the second set completely. And what are the remaining elements in the first set? B and C. So that is A difference B. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now what is B difference A? So now we have to write B. What is B? A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? Difference. What is A? A, B, C, E, U. Okay. What should we do? Cancel the common elements, leave the second set completely and write the remaining terms in the first set. I am cancelling the common elements A, E and U and leaving the second set completely and writing the remaining terms in the first set, that is I and O. So this is B difference A. Clear? So we have found A union B. We have found A intersection B, that is the common elements. Then A difference B, that is we have cancelled the common elements, leave the second set and write the remaining elements in the first set. Clear? Now let's go to the third question, that is A and B are given. What is A? A is equal to X and X is an element of natural number less than or equal to 10. So since it's a natural number, it starts with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 because less than or equal to 10. Now what is B? B is equal to X where X is an whole number. So starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because X is less than 6. So we have to end the set B. Now we should find what is A union B. What is union? All the elements in both the sets and common element should be written only once. Now write A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And we shouldn't write the common terms again, right? So 0 is not in the set A and other elements in B are already present in A. So A union B is 1 to 0, that is 11 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 0. Now what is A intersection B? Here you should write only the common elements because intersection means common elements, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are common between A and B. Okay. So now I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in A intersection B set. Now what is A difference B? For A difference B, we have to first write the set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Difference B. Now tell me what is B? Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What we should do to find the difference? Cancel the common elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have cancelled the common elements, leave the second set completely and write the remaining terms in the first set. What is the remaining elements? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is A difference B. This is A difference B. Understand? Now what is B difference A? What is B? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Difference. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now to find difference, what should we do? We should cancel the common elements, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and leave the second set completely and write the remaining elements in the first set. What is remaining here? 0. So B difference A is 0. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now let's go to the fourth question. That is the last question in this video. A is equal to set of letters in the word mathematics. B is equal to set of letters in the word geometry. Now we should find the set A. Okay, A is equal to M, A, T, H. Here the question in the book, the word mathematics is in small letters. So I am writing in small letters. Okay. H, E, M is already there. We shouldn't repeat any letters again. Okay. So M, A, T are already present. So I am writing I, C and S. Okay. So I have formed the set of letters in the word mathematics. Now what is set B? That is set of letters in the word geometry. First write G, E, O, M. I said we shouldn't repeat the letters, so I am not writing E. So now I am writing T, R and Y. Clear? Okay. Now what we should find? A union B. What is union? We should write all the elements in both the sets and common elements should be repeated only once. Okay? Now write A union B. M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. That is, I have said the complete set A. Now I am going to do a union with B. That is G. E is already here, so you should not write it again. O, M is present, T is present. So I am going to write the next letters, that is next elements, R and Y. This is A union B. Okay. Now let's go to the A intersection B. Okay. What is A intersection B? That is, we have to find the common elements between A and B. What are the common elements between A and B? Yes, M, T and E. Okay. So I am writing in the A intersection B set, that is M, T and E. Okay. Now I am going to find A difference B. First we have to write the set A. M, A, T, H, E, I, C and S. Difference, what is B? G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. Okay. Now what should we do to find the difference? Cancel the common elements. So I am cancelling M, T and E. Leave the second set completely and write the remaining first set. What are the remaining elements in the first set? A, H, I, C, S. A, H, I, C and S. Very good. Now I hope you are getting clear. Now what is B difference A? First write B. G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. These are the elements in set B. Difference. What is the elements in set A? M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Okay. Now what should we do to find the difference? We have to cancel the common elements, that is M, T and E. We have to leave the second set completely and write the first set, remaining elements. G, E, R, Y. Okay, sorry, G, O, R, Y. This is B difference A. Clear? Okay. So, with this, first and second question in exercise 1.3 is over. We can see the remaining questions in the next video. If you have any doubts, please comment down and I will clear it for you. Whenever you get free time, practice maths. Make a connection with maths. Maths will surely connect with you. Okay? Meet you all tomorrow. Till then, signing off, Parvina Ramesh. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. If you have any doubts, comment down. Signing off, yeah.